everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 584 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the e.l.f. Gotta Glow Lip Tint in Perfect Berry. And so I just found this at my Dollar Tree. I went there earlier today and it seemed like this was brand new to my Dollar Tree because it was fully stocked, whereas like the other makeup products weren't completely as stocked as the kind of like display hooks or whatever that were holding this lipstick. So they had a bunch of these left. But what's interesting is that it says it's new here. No, the camera's not really focusing, but that says new. So I feel like when I first started doing this, trying a new makeup product everyday series, I tried out a lot of e.l.f. products that I found at the Dollar Tree. And then I feel like I didn't see e.l.f. at the Dollar Tree for a while, so I was pretty excited to see this there. So I thought that I was picking up like a dark blue lipstick, and I was like, you know what, I'm in the mood to try out a funky lip color today. And honestly, when I bought this, I didn't even really look at it or read anything about it, but I was just reading it now. And this might not actually be as crazy funky as I thought it would, because it says this unique lip tint delivers a personalized shade of color, enhancing the natural color of your lips. So that sounds very intriguing. It says it's infused with shea butter to help moisturize and nourish. So I am so excited to see what this is going to look like. And so since I got this at the Dollar Tree, it was only $1, and e.l.f. is a cruelty-free brand. This is nice packaging. I like this clear with the silver. Ooh, is that magnetic? No. Okay. So here's what the lipstick looks like. Doesn't that seem like it would be like a funky dark color? But let's start out by swatching it. Ooh, yeah, very nice. It says gel-like formula, and it really does glide on like a gel. But so, I mean, it is definitely a tint, but it still seems pretty purple. I'm very excited to see how this is going to look on my lips. And I'm glad this is supposed to moisturize and nourish because my lips are feeling so chapped today. I feel like that really did just add a tint of like a darkness to my lips. Like it just kind of darkened my natural lip color a few shades. Like I feel like it doesn't look any more purple or pink or red or anything like that. Like it didn't necessarily change my lip color, but it definitely got darker. That was interesting. Okay, let's go in with a little bit more. So like at first it looks a little bit like there's a purple tint. When I rub my lips together, I really do feel like the color just kind of becomes more of like my natural lip shade. I feel like this is kind of hard to describe, but hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. And it does feel very comfortable and like it glides right onto my lips. So it's a little bit more glossy, I guess I would say, than a lip balm, but it's still not quite a lip gloss. It's kind of somewhere in between, more like a lip gel. So not a lip gloss, not a lip balm, I'll call it a lip gel. So it did a good job of hydrating my dry lips, and I like the effect it had. Definitely not what I was expecting, but it's not bad. So this is a really cool product. It's pretty unique. I haven't tried out a product like this or even heard of a product like this. It really did give a personalized shade of color to enhance the natural color of your lips. Like, that's exactly how I would describe it. Wow. I really like the enhanced color of my natural lips. Now I just really want to go and watch other videos on this product to see what it did to other people's lips. So if you've tried this before, I would love to know what your experience was like in the comments down below. I feel like this is a kind of like a tinted lip balm, but in a more inventive, can't really think of the word right now, but I'm very impressed by this. And that it was only $1. It's very neat. I definitely recommend trying this out. I'm curious what the transfer is like. Yeah, like an invisible, basically, kiss mark here. Like the kiss mark is clear. And then that's how it's swatched. Let's see. Did that lighten my lips at all? I don't really think so. But even if I'm just using this as a lip balm, it feels really comfortable on my lips too. So this is just an easy product to throw on when you want to hydrate your lips, but you also want a little bit of color, but it in such a natural way. Like, this is a great no makeup type of product for that no makeup look. I seriously love e.l.f. and this is just another product from e.l.f. that I can say I'm very happy to have in my collection. I have a lot of e.l.f. in my collection, but also I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite e.l.f. products are. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.